Hi everyone. So I read The Rainbow Fish to you. I just feel that this is the right time to be reading about kindness, being a good friend, sharing. So what I came up with to go with the Rainbow Fish story is the craft that I talked about after the story, but also a good, healthy, fun snack that you could make all together. So what I'm going to do, I'll go through what I used for you, and you could also be very creative with throwing vegetables in here, whatever's in your cabinet, you don't have to go out for. But this is our rainbow fish. And what I did was, his little face is a sliced apple. You could use any apple that you have. We just slice the apple. And then I chose the strawberries, pineapple, kiwi I thought looked really fun to do for a fish, and I did grapes. But you also could use blueberries, raisins, chocolate chips, whatever you want. And then I made little Finn and his little back fin. I really started to get creative, and I put some Rice Krispie treats for the bottom and then some parsley. So you could do this as an art project, and then you can have fun eating it. There's pineapple you could use for the yellow, banana. Think about the rainbow, and you can pick out your fruit. Most of you have taken cooking with me, so last week we made our Cat in the Hat kebabs, so you all know how to slice the strawberry. We take his little hat off, so we don't want that on there. And then you're just slicing the strawberries. We use the little plastic spoons because it's safe. Your mom and dad use the bigger spoons. So since I had a lot of fruit, I thought what we could do, and it is spring and the teachers are all reading you stories about spring, I made little spring flowers because I love to garden as well. So we have oranges, some grapes, threw in that parsley, and we did the grapes as the stems. So this is our rainbow garden and fish. So everybody enjoy, stay healthy, and be a good friend, and we'll see you soon. Bye.